We were doing a training for our staff and the cleaners and the maintenance to help them start using our mobile application that we developed in-house. The application was an idea of our CEO, Mr. Saeed, to make our workflow smooth and to make the process in our company faster, and the communication will be much better. So for the landlords, basically, when they request a maintenance, all these requests will be delivered to the maintenance team in a very autonomous way, which will make it smoother for the owner to request for cleaning or maintenance, as well as be informed when this maintenance or cleaning or other service will be delivered to their apartment, at which time, and when they finish as well, the owners will also be knowing about it. Having all these solutions in our hand and having all these solutions built in-house will give us the advantage of controlling our own systems and customizing it as per what our company need. So this will be a very advantage point for us.